No, it's very. Yeah, you feel at home. Yeah, it feels like it's was very easy to come into the family, and yeah, it's just a place where you feel at home.
We look at this as a very long-term process, and we had a lot of work to do, and we're excited about the future.
And as far as the fans are concerned, what would you say to them specifically about that future?
The future's bright, and we're excited about tonight.
Important to get a good performance and a good result.
Yeah, thank you.